Good morning guys and welcome to my channel once again. So this is the final video of our construction project. Since magiging busy na ako, hindi ko na may papakita yung talagang bahay na wala nang ginagawa. Anyway, buo na naman to, pero may mga ilang retouches lang. By the way, alam kaming contractors na bumuo ng bahay na to. Kami yung general contractor na simula nung dinemolish ang old building na to. Then nag-layout, nagtayo ng structure, painting, plumbing, tile works, and also some of the electrical works. The other contractors are for the roofing, glass and aluminum, modular cabinet, welding works, and also the air conditioning. Let's take a look. Ito na yung garage niya. So this is the service entrance. Makikita nyo, pinturado na, may center light na. So may mga cove light. So kakabit na lang yung wall light, then lilinisin and okay na. So let's go inside the main building. So this is the ground floor. Yan o, makikita nyo may aircon na. Meron na ring awning, yung mga windows nya, may glass na rin yung stairs. Ito naman yung beam, konting retouch lang sa pintura, totally white yung paint. And then look at that, ang ganda, di ba? Then this is the cabinet all the way to the stairs sa may gilid. So let's go and check the master's bedroom dito sa ground floor. So ito may mga konting retouching pa, may konti rin tatapusin dito sa cabinet. Pero tingnan nyo naman, meron na siyang center light, may pin light, may strip light. And yung cabinet nya, babalikan pa yan ng contractor. So this is the toilet. As you can see, yung toilet bowl, hindi yan yung toilet bowl nya. Ano lang siya, alternate, kasi may nag-i-stay in dito sa building na nagbabantay. And then may electronic shower. Okay na rin na kisame. Merong exhaust fan, saka may ilaw na rin. Check naman natin yung papunta sa kitchen. This is the sliding glass door installed by the glass and aluminum contractor. So hindi ko lang alam yung pangalan, company nila. This is the common toilet. So dito may mga ikakabit pa tayong shower, toilet bowl, saka mga faucet. Ayan. Yun lang, saka okay na to. Okay na naman yung pintura na kisame at na nakatiles na rin yung wall. Ito yung ikakabit dyan. So this is the electronic one. Yes, alam niyo na pag sinabing electronic, automatic yun. So ito yung dining room and also the kitchen. May wine bar, then meron ng mga modular cabinet installed by the another contractor. May aircon na rin. Di ba? Ang ganda ng cabinet, no? Tapos itong malaking space na yon, nakita nyo yun, doon nalagay ang ref. So this is also built by the glass and aluminum cabinet contractor. Ito naman yung kitchen number 2. So dito nagluluto. Cabinet na rin. And may awning windows. Naka-ready na yung stove. May sink. And also, syempre, merong protection yung outlet. Water guard. Tingnan naman natin kung ano yung nasa hallway. So this is the hallway and this is going to the garage. Ito naman yung laundry area at ito yung poso. So gusto ni Uno na i-preserve yung poso. Maganda nga rin naman, just in case na mawala ng tubig sa gripo, meron kang alternate na pagkukunan. So ito, sink. Pwede kang maglinis ng pinggan or maglinis ng damit kung ano gusto mo. So we're here at the second floor. As you can see, meron ng glass yung railing. And then nakakabit na yung chandeliers. Also the cove lights. And this is the staircase. Ilagyan muna namin to ng karton para hindi magasgasan yung tiles. Let's check bedroom 1. So ito nga nakikita nyo. Ang lock niya is electronic door lock. So kailangan niya ng card. And ang laki ng cabinet. Grabe. And then may loft siya. Ito yung staircase, computer table. At dito pwede ka tumambay. So ito, this is the open space. Passing one siya. So, pag mainit sa kitchen, sisingaw yung init dito. Yan. So ito, kulang na lang dito ay aircon. Ikakabit pa to. Kasi medyo complicated ikabit yung dyan yung outdoor. Dito naman sa may bedroom 2, so ito, i-repair pa siya. Pa-plasteran din, pintura. And this is bedroom 2. Ganun din, malaki yung cabinet. The computer table. And dito ilalagay yung bed. Yan. So maganda din to at mas maaliwalas kasi madaming bintana. And ito yung aircon. Ay kabit na. So itong open space dito. So dito nakalagay yung mga condenser. Yung outdoor ng split type. And makikita nyo rin meron siyang grill. It's for the protection. Alam nyo na marami magnanakaw ngayon. So that's the bedroom 2. And also nakaano rin to, electronic door lock. Yep, kailangan siya ng card. And let's move on to bedroom 3. So dadaan tayo dito sa hallway all the way to bedroom 3. This is the bedroom 3 and mapapansin nyo sa pahaba siya. And look at that, may mga shelf na. Naka-install na ang center light, cove light, and air cons. May awning windows na din. So may shelf, may cabinet, and syempre may mga computer table. Yan. So ito, wala na kaming gagawin dito. Nilagyan lang namin ng mga karton para hindi kagasgasan ang tiles. Ito ay naka-electronic door lock din. And let's move on to the next room. This is the storage area. So walang ibang nakalagay dito kundi puro cabinet. Kasi nga this is only used for storage ng mga lumang gamit. So yung switch niya dito nakalagay. It's hidden inside the cabinet. Kasi nga para ma-expand further yung cabinet, kailangan idikit ko sa pader. So yung pinaglalagay ng switch, ini-adjust na rin sa loob ng cabinet. And let's move on to the common toilet. And ito yung toilet. So yan, may enclosure na. May electronic shower, sink, electronic toilet bowl. And yan may ilaw na. Yung kisame niya, i-retouch na lang ng pintura. This is the gym equipment storage. So yung mga treadmills and barbells, dumbbells dito ay store. And this is the lounge dito sa second floor. So maganda rito, malapit siya doon sa balcony. Mas maaliwalas. And lastly, this is the master's bedroom dito sa second floor. So ganito yung itsura niya ngayon. So ang cabinet, syempre malaki yan. And may shelf na din. And ganito yung windows. And the glass door installed by the glass and aluminum contractor. Meron na ring cove light and center light. May cabinet na rin dito, so pwede rin itong pagpatungan ng TV. This is the toilet, and as you can see, meron din siya enclosure. May automatic toilet bowl na din. And this is the sink. And syempre, yung outlet na may water protection. Okay na rin to. So, na-install na yung cove light and also the exhaust fan. And for the last one, let's check the balcony. So, dito marami pang ginagawa. So, ito naman ay hindi na rin tatagal. Inaayos lang namin to. So paplasteran and then pipinturahan. Kasi ito ay kinabitan to ng linya ng wall lamp. Meron na rin glass yung balcony. And yung cove light naman is ready to install na. We're just waiting for the electrician. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos, you can follow me on TikTok and Facebook, The Rainsworth TV. And you may also subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Rainsworth TV. God bless us all and see you on the next project.